Hey friends, if you wish to enable dark mode on Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So click on File and then select Options. Now in the General tab, you can scroll down and you'll find something called as Office Themes. So you can choose whether you want system settings. You can choose whether you want it as dark gray, or I'll show you other options as well. You can choose whether you want it as black. You can choose whether you want it to be the system theme. Okay, now in my case the system theme is dark, so it will copy the dark mode. Now if you really want it dark forever, then just choose the dark mode, the black mode. If you want a little lighter tone, then choose dark gray, and if you want to align it with the system settings, you have that option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.